I'm not a big fan of wearing masks because I believe you have to have an internal defense against COVID and also other sicknesses that come along. So one of the things I've done is make sure my defense is set up in terms of what I drink. The reason I have drinks instead of digestive food is I know it gets into my system. My base of my drink mixture that I have on a regular basis is grapefruit juice. It has lower sugar than orange juice. It has a lot of vitamin C, so that's the basic base. I always worry that maybe I don't have enough vitamins in my diet, so I have this vitamin. This is all liquid, 100%, all different fresh fruit and vegetables and minerals put in it. I put a cupful in it. The funny thing about this, it actually doesn't taste bad when I get it done, so don't worry about it. Recently, people have said apple cider vinegar is very helpful. This one has an interesting thing. This one actually has ginger in it and honey. So I had honey in something else, but I'm going to let it go. I'm going to put this one as the honey. Do a little drop of this in it as well. I'm going to put a little bit more lemon juice in it. Make it a little bitter again, just a drop or two, again, just to stay healthy. Now, we're going down a this is not actually for coronavirus, but it's actually for your skin, and it actually helps you with your heart and digestion as a whole, which is always an issue in my family, so I put a drop in that. Recently, my blood pressure went up, so this is pure beet juice. Also very good to make blood, in case you want to make blood. Goes a drop in there. As you read about, vitamin D is also very helpful in trying to have a good defense against coronavirus. So I normally put this in my coffee, but since I'm not making coffee, I'm going to put this in my drink and just put a drop in it. Turmeric, it's a very spicy drink, make it a little different. Now, in case you're saying to yourself, there's a lot of sugar mixtures, cinnamon reduces the amount of cinnamon. Cinnamon reduces the amount of sugar in your body, so I put a drop in it. It also tastes good. And this would go in my coffee, not usually in this drink, but to make it easier. As you know also, you might have heard about mushrooms playing a bigger role in your diet. So, again, this would go in my coffee drink, and not usually in this drink, but I'm going to do this because to save you time. And the most important thing at all is to mix it well, because you don't want to taste one flavor over the other. And that's it. This would be what I consider my life-saving health fight against anything with COVID, flus, and keep my brain active on a regular basis. Enjoy. Not bad, and I'm ready for the day. Thank you.